Okay, let's do a basic reindeer balloon figure. Okay, so just leave 2-inch allowance here for the mouth of our reindeer, 2-inch bubbles, and create 8 1-inch bubbles here. So we have 2 already here. Create another 1, 3, 1 more. We have now 4 bubbles here. 1 more, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And put this all together to create a loop. Just like that. And divide it in half. Okay? Just like this. Divide it in half to create 2 loops using these 8 bubbles. Okay, careful with your balloons. So we created the head of our reindeer. See? Now, next step is create 2-inch bubble here for the neck, and let's create another, let's just say 3-inch bubbles here, 3-inch bubbles. Okay, let's adjust. Okay, so we created 2-inch bubbles here. Now leave approximate 3 inches here for the body. Now do the same thing for the second leg, just like that. So we created the last legs. Okay, approximate size of our legs are 3 to 4 inch or 3 inch, and the front leg is the same size. So we created right now a reindeer. Thank you so much.